Hello and welcome to my channel JEE Maths PYQs. If JEE Maths feels difficult, you are in the right place. Here we simplify important PYQs with easy explanations and step-by-step solutions to build speed and confidence. Let's get started with today's topic. Today's topic is Binomial Theorem or Binomial Expansion. This question or similar questions were asked in JEE Main 2019, 22 and 24. The question goes like this. We have to find the number of integral terms or the integers in the binomial expansion of this binomial raised to the power 1016. Questions like this asking for the count of integral or rational terms have become a guaranteed question in almost every single shift of recent JEE Main cycles. For the binomial expansion of a plus b raised to n, the general term tr plus 1 is ncr a power n minus r b power r. Now for the expansion of 5 power half plus 7 power 1 by 8 whole power 1016, n is 1016, a is 5 power half and b 7 power 1 by 8. So the general term for this expansion will be tr plus 1 equals 1016 cr 5 power half power 1016 minus r 7 power 1 by 8 power r 1016 cr 5 power 1016 minus r upon 2 7 power r by 8, where r is an integer lying between 0 and 1016. Here this 5 and 7 being prime numbers, the terms will be integers only if powers of 5 and 7 are non-negative integers. So for this power of 5 to be an integer, r must be even, because this 1016 minus r needs to be a multiple of 2, and for this r by 8 to be an integer, r must be a multiple of 8, because here r is divided by 8. Now we know for fact that any multiple of 8 automatically becomes even. So what we need is r to be a multiple of 8. So in order to find r, let us assume r equals 8k, where k is any positive or 0 integer. Since the power of binomial is 1016, we have 0 less than equal to 8k less than equal to 1016 dividing by 8, 0 less than equal to k less than equal to 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 sevens are 56. So possible values of k will be 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 127, and hence total values of k will be this 127 minus this 0 plus 1, 128. Hence the correct answer option here is B, 128. This one here. I hope this video helped you understand the concept more clearly. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share and subscribe to JEE Maths PYQs for more simple and effective JEE Maths walkthroughs. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.